In traditional Chinese acupressure, firm pressure is placed on several points of your body to ease medical conditions. This technique is thought to promote weight loss by stimulating points on the body that can relieve pressure on the digestive system. While scientific research supporting the effectiveness of acupressure on weight loss is limited, some studies have found that it may be an effective complement to a healthy diet and exercise in reaching your weight loss goals. 1. Applying pressure to weight loss acupressure points. Start by applying acupressure to the acupressure points on the ear. Place your thumb directly in front of the triangular-shaped flap of tissue found at the front of each ear. The thumb is used because it covers the most area and will affect all 3 points. Another way to find this point is to place your finger against your jaw and open and shut your mouth. Find the point that has most of the movement in your jaw. Apply medium and constant pressure for 3 minutes to control appetite and hunger and improve digestion. If you only want to use one point, use the ear points. It is the only part of the body where 3 or more acupressure points that control hunger and appetite can be found together. Acupressure points SI19, TW21, and GB2 are located around the ear. These have been studied most for weight loss. Apply pressure to additional acupressure points that promote weight loss. There are a wide variety of other points that can help you reach your weight loss goals. GV26 is located between the upper lip and the nose, in the crease or depression, the philtrum. Apply medium pressure for 5 minutes twice a day. This point can curb appetite and control hunger. RN6 is found 3 cm directly below the belly button. Use your index and middle fingers to massage this point up and down 2 minutes twice a day. This point can improve digestion. Knee point ST36 is found 2 inches below the kneecap and slightly off-center, towards the outer part of the leg. Apply pressure on this point for 1 minute with your forefinger. You can know you are in the right spot by flexing your foot. You should be able to feel the muscle move under your finger. Press this point for 2 minutes every day. This point supports healthy stomach function. Elbow point L11 is found on the inner side of the elbow crease, near the outer part of the elbow. This point stimulates the function of the intestine by removing excess heat and unwanted moisture from the body. Use your thumb and apply pressure to this point for 1 minute every day. Pressure point Sp6 is found 2 inches above the ankle, on the inner side of the leg and behind the bone. Apply pressure for 1 minute every day with your thumb. Release slowly. This point helps balance fluids. The abdominal sorrow points are located beneath your lowest ribs in a straight line down from your earlobes. Press into this point under each rib for 5 minutes a day. This point can also help relieve indigestion. Try a different point, or points, if one makes you uncomfortable or does not give you the results you want. Stay aware of how you are feeling and responding to the pressure. Each person may respond uniquely, depending on their situation. Don't overdo it. You can use these acupressure points until you have reached your ideal weight and then use them to help maintain that weight. There are no known negative effects of this type of acupressure. 2. Learning about acupressure. Understand the basic concepts of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Acupressure and acupuncture utilize various points along 12 basic meridians in the body. These meridians are energy pathways, which are believed to carry qi or qi, the Chinese terms for life energy. The basic concept is that illness is caused by a blockage in qi. The needles in acupuncture and the pressure in acupressure can unblock these energy pathways and restore the easy and unimpeded flow of qi. Understand how acupressure can be used to stimulate weight loss. In TCM, weight loss can be encouraged by allowing excess heat and moisture to be expelled and by supporting the organs of digestion. The terms heat and moisture don't necessarily have literal meanings. In other words, applying pressure at these points won't significantly change the temperature of the skin or cause any dampness on the skin. The terms should be understood to indicate imbalances of energy that are viewed as heat and moisture. Some studies have indicated that acupressure on the ear points in particular can significantly help people achieve weight loss. Another somewhat related technique, the tapas acupressure technique, has shown some positive results for maintaining weight loss, though no significant results for weight loss. Learn how to apply pressure on acupressure points. Unless the point is on the center of your body, make sure you apply pressure on both sides for the same amount of time. The amount of pressure is generally light to medium. Find a level of pressure you are comfortable with. Never press hard. Think of 3 levels of pressure. Light pressure is the amount of pressure it would take for your finger to depress your skin slightly and moves the skin around the pressure point slightly. You won't feel a pulse or bone but will feel a muscle moving under the skin. Medium pressure depresses the skin more, and in areas where the skin is thin, e. Around the ear, you should feel some bone and will feel joints and muscle moving. You may also feel a pulse around, for example, around the knee, elbow or ankle points. You can apply acupressure anywhere, at work, at school, at home, or after, or during, a shower. Though it is usually best to be in a quiet and peaceful environment, it is not absolutely necessary.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,